to my channel. I'm Milet. Today I will making this Korean cream cheese bun. This is so good. So the bread method we will be using will be the Tangjong method. So first we add in 20 grams of bread flour and 100 grams of milk into the mixing bowl. Let it cook for 3 minutes, 80 degrees, heat 3. After it's done, let it stand in the mixing for about 10 to 15 minutes before adding the next step, which is 130 grams of milk, 1 egg yolk, 30 grams of sugars, half of teaspoon of salt, 10 grams of milk powder, and 280 grams of bread flour. And lastly will be the yeast, 1 teaspoon. Close the lid and turn to the knead mode. Knead for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes of kneading, let's add in 25 grams of softened butter and knead for another 1 minute. After 1 minute, you can transfer the dough onto the baking mat. You can just turn the mixing bowl upside down and turn the base anti-clockwise to remove the plates, and the dough will fall on the baking mat. And carefully remove the dough from the plate. You can use your hands or rolling pin to flatten the dough. Tuck the edges into the center to form a ball shape. And slightly turn the dough a few times and tuck the sides to the bottoms. Put it in the big bowl. Cover the dough with a plain cloth to avoid drying on the surface. Let it cook for 45 minutes to 1 hour in a warm place. Meanwhile, let's prepare the cream cheese filling for the buns. Add in 250 grams of cream cheese and 20 grams of sugars into the dried and clean mixing bowl and mix for 30 seconds, speed 5. When it's ready, add in 50 grams of whipping cream and mix for another 20 seconds, speed 5. Bowl and put the cream cheese filling into the piping bag. And tie the knot on top of the piping bag and set aside. And while the Thermomix is auto cleaning in the background, let's prepare the next step. which is the garlic butter sauce. Remove the garlic skin and remove the parsley leaf from the stem. And chop up the parsley leaf into fine tiny pieces. And prepare the clean mixing bowl. Put in the garlic. Chop for 5 seconds. It's 5. And scrape down the sides using the spatula. Add in 100 grams of butter. And not for 2 minutes. 80 degrees speed. Butter melt, add in 40 grams of whipping cream, 20 grams of Parmesan cheese, 20 grams of mayonnaise, 5 grams of honey, and last will be the parsley. And close the lid. Let's mix for 20 seconds. Speed 2. And the butter sauce is ready. Transfer it into the bowl and let it set aside. After preparing the filling and butter sauce, the dough will be done for the first proofing. Let's punch it down, deflate it, and transfer it onto the baking mat or the baking sheet. Let's divide it into 8 portions, about 80 grams for each. Shape each portion of the dough into the ball shape. Let it rest on the baking sheet in the baking tray for about 45 minutes to 1 hour. Remember to cover it to avoid drying on the surface. After the second proofing, the bun should be ready to bake. Let's put it into the oven. Bake for 12 to 18 minutes, 180 degrees Celsius. After the first bake, remove the bun from the oven and let it cool on a cooling rack before cutting it into pieces. You can cut as many wedges as you wish, but the classic one will be 6 wedges. Make a cross and cut a straight line across the cross, and there you have 6 wedges. And let's fill in the cream cheese. Remember to fully fill in the cream cheese in all the sides in the buns, but remember, don't break the buns. You need the base to stay intact. After filling the cream cheese, let's dip the buns inside the butter sauce. Deep. You need a lot of sauce. Yes. And put it back on the baking tray. Let's bake for another 10 minutes, 180 degrees. Ta-da! Fresh from the oven, the corn garlic cream cheese bun. Let it cool for a few minutes before serving. Bon appetit! Please like and subscribe to my channel if you like it. I'll see you another time.